kia is disturbing me, so I need to take a third take. Huh? 对不对，不惊？Okay, so I'm gonna do a simple
unboxing.
The reason why I'm shouting is because I don't know why. So the camera I got is a Sony a6400. So obviously I unboxed it already at the shop because I needed to check what's inside. So how do you check if a camera is a new camera? Is this sticker over here. So they let me do the honor to open it lah. Okay, they never say like, hey, I open it for you, blah, blah, blah. So they let me open it myself at the shop. So when you first unbox your camera, these are the few things that you will see: the reference guide, startup guide, and all this paper that you read once and then you just put it aside. The power cord, we have the battery pack, USB-C, AC adapter, the strap, and then of course your camera itself. Okay, so this is the camera itself. Okay, so I did my homework and then I was comparing it with the G7X Mark II, and then I also was considering the 6500, Sony 6500, and then in the end I got this lah. Okay, so when you first got the camera, the battery that they give you, that they provide you, there's no battery inside, so you need to charge it. And then when you first buy the camera, it doesn't come with the external charger, so you need to put the battery inside your camera and then charge it from the camera itself lah. But eventually you will need to get your own external battery charger. Okay, then so this one I already charged it already. Okay, then also the shop gave me a free 64 gig SD card, so I already put it inside. Okay, so now we're gonna on it. Ta-da! Okay, I forgot to open the lens cap, but yeah. Ta-da-da! So just let me try to start to record something. Bro, how do I? Okay, so the few reasons why I chose this camera is definitely, the first one is because of the flip screen. Because I'm a noob, I don't know how to gauge whether I'm in the frame or I'm not in the frame. So this camera, right, it flips up like that, kind of weirdly lah. It's like an L shape. Ta-da-da! Okay, but I think they do it like that in the sense that they don't want to block the viewfinder. So, but one downside to this is if you put an external mic here on the hot shoe, it blocks. Can you see? Let's say this is the mic lah, okay? It blocks your view on the screen, which already defeats the purpose. But there's another option where you can, there's a mic jack here. So you can just put your mic here lah, instead of up here, it's the side here, okay? So yeah, and then the second thing is definitely because of the autofocus. The autofocus on this camera is great, but I haven't got a chance to try it, so I will need to play with it around for a bit more time before I get to judge the autofocus. But yeah, basically, oh no, got dust. Oh no. So I need to film the outro for this video, and it's kind of hard not to look at myself in the flip screen and to look at the lens instead. I don't know how to end this, but I thought of something. So bye! Obviously I unboxing already. Babe! My phone dropped out!
Sorry.
Oh my god. It's very clear leh.